It can be a bit lonely out here in the workshop, so I figured I'd bring some entertainment in here. So this, for my long nights alone trying to fix what I've just broken on something else, is my low buck entertainment centre, with the cheapest TV I could find on eBay and the cheapest accessories to mount it on the wall. This 19-inch LG HD TV cost me £12 on eBay. That's about $15. It's missing its remote and someone has stolen the base of it, but that's not a problem because I'm going to stick it straight in the wall and I can use the buttons on top. The remote would just get lost in here, so that's not really a problem. £12, you can't go wrong with that. The DVD player is an old one I had in the loft. It was pretty quite good once upon a time, but that was a long time ago. So again, you'd pick this up for about £10 on eBay. The bracket holding on the wall, I was shopping for toy hot rods and toy cars in the charity shop down the road. This was brand new from IKEA, £2. So far, my build is up to £24 for a TV in the garage. How cool is that? Being a low buck build, we're not going for the expensive proper LCD wall mounting program. We are going for the £1.50 each from Homebase shelf brackets. I've marked up in a style of Adam Savage and Tested where we're going to bend these things, because that's how deep the TV is. I'm going to wax in the vise and bend it over. One TV mounting bracket. Now to clear this shelf, the bottom of the TV needs to be level with the bottom of this row of cement. So I'm just going to mark up, and the other end of the TV will be down here. Don't forget your roll plugs. The TV isn't very heavy, but I don't want it falling out on the back of the car. And I've managed to shred almost every single one of my electric screwdriver tips, so I'm having to do this by hand. Well, this TV is old enough to have a SCART socket, so I can run my old DVD player with it, but it's new enough to have an HDMI, so I can get myself a Now TV or Amazon kind of Fire Stick or something, so I can have some streaming stuff out here at some point as well. And I'm guessing it's probably got Freeview as it's got HDMI, so yeah, bung an aerial out here, I'm fully sorted. This actually balances pretty well, but I'm going to chuck a screw in here, just so it can't topple out. So I'm pretty happy with this. It's hardly cost me a thing, and now I can be even more distracted and make even more mistakes when I'm trying to fix the cars. If you can do it for less, or have done it for less, then show me in the comments. Let me see a big screen TV for free that you've managed to fit in your garage somehow. That'd be really cool. Thanks for watching, and please hit subscribe.